Welcome to AI Guru J, the journey with Ram Naresh Jha, where we embark on an enlightening voyage through the revolution of artificial intelligence in transportation. Are you weary of the relentless traffic jams? Do you envision a future where transportation is seamless, efficient, and autonomous? If yes, then you've arrived at the perfect hub. At AI Guru J, we delve into the fascinating realm of AI and its monumental influence on how we move. Join us as we explore intelligent traffic control, network transformation, aviation innovation, logistics optimization, and security enhancement. Together, we'll unravel the myriad of opportunities and navigate the challenges that AI presents in the sphere of transportation. Whether you're a tech aficionado, a professional in the transportation field, or simply an individual eager to accelerate your travel experience, AI Guru J is your gateway to the future. Welcome to the future of high-speed transportation, the Hyperloop. Hyperloop is a proposed mode of passenger and freight transportation, championed by the likes of Elon Musk, that could revolutionize the way we travel. Imagine being able to commute from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the power of AI, this dream is inching closer to reality. AI plays a pivotal role in enhancing the efficiency of Hyperloop systems. It's used in predictive maintenance, ensuring the system is functioning optimally and any potential faults are detected before they cause disruption. Furthermore, AI is instrumental in optimizing the energy usage of the Hyperloop, making it not only fast, but also sustainable. The integration of AI in transportation is not just a concept, it's already happening in the real world. AI is being used to regulate traffic, optimize logistics, and even pilot autonomous vehicles. But the ride to the future isn't without its bumps. There are still many challenges to overcome before Hyperloop technology becomes a reality. These include technical feasibility, regulatory approval, and public acceptance. However, with the continuous advancements in AI, the future of high-speed transportation looks promising. So stay tuned with AI Guru J as we delve deeper into the world of AI and high-speed transportation. Remember, the journey to the future starts here. As we've seen, AI is transforming the world of transportation, from hyperloops to drones. But let's not forget about the vehicles we use every day. Welcome to the world of AI-powered vehicle security. AI is making our cars smarter and safer, enhancing the overall driving experience. It's like having a vigilant co-pilot with you at all times, ensuring a safe journey. Modern vehicles are now equipped with AI-enabled features such as automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and real-time threat detection. These features help prevent accidents and mitigate risks on the road. For instance, automatic emergency braking systems use AI to predict potential collisions and apply the brakes automatically, reducing the risk of accidents. Similarly, adaptive cruise control uses AI to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front, preventing rear-end collisions. But the benefits of AI in vehicle security don't stop there. AI is also enhancing driver assistance systems, providing real-time alerts to drivers about potential hazards, and even offering guidance on efficient driving practices. Imagine your car alerting you of a pedestrian crossing the road ahead even before you spot them, or suggesting the best route to avoid traffic congestion. That's the power of AI in vehicle security. However, as with any technological innovation, there are challenges to overcome. Ensuring the reliability of these AI systems, addressing privacy concerns, and gaining public trust are some of the issues that need to be addressed. But with advancements in AI technology, we are well on our way to creating a safer road for everyone. So fasten your seatbelts as we continue our journey into the world of AI in transportation with AI Guru J. Remember, safety is not a destination, it's a journey made safer with AI. As we move from personal vehicles and soar towards the skies, let's not forget the backbone of our economy, freight transportation. It's a world where tons of goods are moved every day, connecting markets and people. However, this sector is not without its challenges. From managing complex supply chains to ensuring timely delivery of goods, the freight industry grapples with many issues. But guess what? AI is here to the rescue again. AI is transforming the way goods are moved, making freight transportation more efficient and reliable. AI-powered solutions are optimizing supply chains, enabling real-time tracking of freight, predicting delivery times, and even automating warehouse operations. For instance, AI can analyze traffic patterns, weather conditions, and historical delivery data to predict the best routes for trucks. This not only saves time but also reduces fuel consumption, making freight transportation more sustainable. AI is also improving warehouse operations. Automated guided vehicles powered by AI are now common in warehouses, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. Let's consider some real-world examples. Companies like UPS and FedEx are already using AI for route optimization and predictive maintenance of their vehicles. Similarly, Amazon uses AI-powered robots in its warehouses for picking and packing orders. Looking ahead, the potential for AI in transforming freight transportation is immense. From autonomous trucks to AI-powered cargo drones, the future looks promising. However, as with any technological innovation, challenges like regulatory issues, cybersecurity threats, and workforce transition need to be addressed. So join us on this exciting journey as we explore the role of AI in freight transportation. Stay tuned with AI Guru Jay as we delve deeper into the world of AI in transportation. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, and with AI, it's getting smarter and safer. In our exploration of the AI revolution in transportation, let's not forget the world's oldest and most crucial mode of transport, maritime. Every day, thousands of ships crisscross the oceans, carrying goods across continents. But did you know that AI is making waves in this sector too? AI is transforming maritime transportation in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. From autonomous ships to AI-powered port operations, the maritime industry is sailing towards a smarter future. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to predict the most efficient routes for ships, taking into account weather conditions, sea currents, and fuel consumption. This not only speeds up delivery times, but also makes maritime transportation more sustainable. AI is also improving safety at sea. AI-powered systems can detect potential hazards and predict equipment failures, reducing the risk of accidents. And let's not forget the ports, the hubs of maritime transportation. AI is optimizing port operations, from scheduling ship arrivals to managing cargo handling. For instance, AI can predict the best time for a ship to arrive at a port, reducing waiting times and improving efficiency. Companies like Rolls-Royce and Wärtsilä are leading the way in developing autonomous ships powered by AI. These ships can navigate the oceans without human intervention, revolutionizing maritime transportation. However, as with any technological innovation, there are challenges. Regulatory issues, cybersecurity threats, and workforce transition are some of the hurdles that need to be overcome. But the potential of AI in transforming maritime transportation is immense, and the journey ahead is exciting. So, as we set sail on this voyage of discovery, join us at AI Guru Jay as we delve deeper into the world of AI in transportation. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, and with AI, it's getting smarter and safer. In this fascinating world of AI, the sky is certainly not the limit. Advancements in AI are not just confined to commercial aircrafts. Autonomous drones and flying taxis powered by AI are taking flight, promising to revolutionize air transportation. AI plays an instrumental role in enhancing safety in aviation, particularly in drones. It enables drones to fly autonomously, eliminating the need for human intervention. These autonomous drones, equipped with AI technology, are capable of navigating complex environments, avoiding obstacles, and making real-time decisions. They have found applications across various industries, from delivering packages to surveying disaster-stricken areas and conducting agricultural inspections. But the AI skyline doesn't stop there. Let's take a leap into the future with flying taxis. Yes, you heard it right. Flying taxis, also known as air taxis or EVTOLs, are no longer a figment of sci-fi imagination, but a reality in the making. AI is used to navigate and control these flying taxis, making them capable of autonomous flight. However, like any technological innovation, the integration of AI in aviation comes with its own set of challenges. Safety concerns, regulatory hurdles, public acceptance, and cybersecurity are some of the issues that need to be addressed. But despite these challenges, the future prospects of AI in revolutionizing air transportation are promising. So, buckle up as we continue our journey in the AI revolution in transportation. Stay updated with AI Guru Jay as we delve into the intricacies of AI in aviation, from autonomous drones to flying taxis. Remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. We've talked about the ground, but what about the sky? Let's ascend to the heights of AI applications in aviation. Imagine a world where planes fly themselves, where air traffic is managed with precision, where flights are safer, more efficient, and more eco-friendly. This is not a distant dream, but a reality being shaped by AI. Autonomous aircrafts are on the horizon, poised to transform the aviation industry. AI-powered autonomous aircrafts offer numerous benefits. They can optimize fuel consumption, reduce emissions, and increase operational efficiency. Autonomous planes can also operate in challenging weather conditions, enhancing safety and reliability. Furthermore, AI can assist in managing air traffic more effectively, reducing delays and improving the passenger experience. AI operates in autonomous aircrafts through several components. Machine learning algorithms help predict and adapt to weather changes, while image recognition systems assist with navigation and obstacle detection. AI can also analyze vast amounts of data from aircraft sensors to predict maintenance needs and prevent failures. However, the journey to full autonomy is not without challenges. Concerns about safety, cybersecurity, and job displacement are prominent. Regulations and public acceptance also pose significant hurdles. Despite these challenges, the future of autonomous aircrafts is promising. With advancements in AI and machine learning, we are moving towards a future where autonomous flights are not just possible, but commonplace. So as we journey into the AI revolution in transportation, let's not forget to look up. The future of travel is not just on our roads, but also in our skies. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic in the next segments. Remember, with AI Guru Jay, you're always in the pilot's seat. Are you ready to journey from traffic jams to seamless commutes? Let's dive into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our transportation networks. Traffic congestion is a daily nuisance for many of us, causing wasted time, increased fuel consumption, and elevated stress levels. But fear not, as AI is here to transform this scenario. AI technology is redefining the way we travel, making our commutes smoother and more efficient. It's not just about self-driving cars. AI is streamlining every aspect of our transportation systems. It's in the intelligent traffic signals that adapt to real-time road conditions, the smart buses that optimize routes based on passenger demand, the ride-sharing apps that predict traffic patterns to find the quickest route, and the freight trucks that use AI to schedule deliveries and avoid traffic. The benefits? Reduced traffic congestion, improved commuting experiences, and a healthier environment due to decreased fuel consumption and lower carbon emissions. Let's consider a few real-world examples. In Milton Keynes, UK, AI-powered pods are being tested to provide public transportation. In Singapore, an AI traffic management system is being developed to predict and manage traffic congestion. These are just the tip of the iceberg. With advancements in AI, we can look forward to a future of sustainable and efficient mobility. A future where traffic jams are a thing of the past and seamless journeys are the norm. So buckle up and join us as we navigate this exciting AI-driven revolution in transportation. Are you tired of the endless traffic jams that consume valuable hours of your day? Gridlock is more than just an annoyance. It's a major contributor to air pollution, decreased productivity, and increased stress levels. But what if there was a solution to this persistent problem? Enter the world of AI traffic control. Artificial intelligence is at the forefront of revolutionizing traffic management. By leveraging AI's ability to analyze data patterns and make real-time decisions, we can significantly reduce congestion and improve traffic flow. Imagine a future where traffic lights adapt to real-time road conditions, where traffic signals communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow, where cars are rerouted to less congested areas. That's the promise of AI. But this is not just a hypothetical scenario. It's happening now. For example, in Pittsburgh, USA, an AI traffic signal control system reduced travel times by 25% and idling by over 40%. In Hangzhou, China, an AI traffic management system called City Brain has decreased traffic congestion by 15%. The benefits of AI in traffic control are immense. Reduced traffic congestion means less time spent on the road, decreased fuel consumption, lower carbon emissions, and most importantly, happier commuters. The future of AI in traffic management is exhilarating, with advancements like autonomous vehicles and smart cities on the horizon. Imagine a world where your car can communicate with traffic signals, where intelligent transportation systems can predict and manage traffic flow, where congestion is a thing of the past. But for this future to become a reality, we need your support. The integration of AI in traffic management is a collective effort that requires the support of policymakers, city planners, and citizens like you. So fasten your seatbelts, press that subscribe button, and let's journey into the thrilling future of transportation. powered by AI. Subscribe to AI Guru Jay and join us in this transformative adventure.